Welcome to What's New in Address Manager 2.3 Part 3 instructional video. Several changes and enhancements, including database enhancements, configurator enhancements, and branch versioning, are not covered in this video, but are detailed in the What's New in Address Manager 2.3 document available online at. You can now add an image such as a survey or subdivision plan to the web map using the Add Local Image tool. Open the Layers panel and select Add Local Image at the bottom of the panel. Select the image file from your device. Pick WGS84 lat long and then enter the appropriate WKID and select Next. The plan will be placed in its proper location on the web map. You can adjust the transparency of the image in the Layers panel. The plan image can now be used to input preliminary roads, parcels, and addresses. A grid can be added to the web map to help guide feature drawing and placement. Select a feature editing tool, such as Road. Select Add Road Centerline. Select the Settings tool. Enable Snapping, and then enable Grid. Scrolling down, we can go to the grid options. You can set the angle or set the cell distance. You can also use the placement tools. Use Place to move the grid to where you want it to start, and then you can also change the cell size and the angle of the grid with this tool. There's also a Move tool, so that you can move the tool without changing the cell size or the angle, and you can use the Rotate tool to rotate the grid without changing the cell size or its location. The themes can be changed from dark to light and to custom, where you can select a color for the grid. In order to ensure that roads are correctly joined between jurisdictions, a tie point service has been created and can be added to the web map. The first step is to open the Tie Point of Canada Overview item page at this location. At the bottom of the item page, copy the URL. Open the Address Manager web map, and in Layers, at the bottom of the panel, select the down arrow on add a layer from the URL, and paste the URL. Select Add to Map. You can adjust the symbology, appearance, and visibility in the Properties panel. The tie point symbols will be displayed in the Address Manager application. When editing road center lines, you may decide to snap the road to the tie point. Coordinating and agreeing to the location of the tie point with your neighboring community improves the accuracy of roads along municipal boundaries, which is required by NG 911 aggregators.